Eat these foods to regrow hair in 3 days. Hair loss treatment, hair loss cure. Whether it's out of anxiety to reset a cut from hell or simply the wish to experiment with a new look, you have probably been obliged to look for how you can make your hair grow back quicker. You understand by now that not every little thing on the great old internet works. However, there are some things you can do that yield actual outcome, specifically when it comes to strategic eating. In today's video, we have remedies that we will go over. Eat these foods to regrow hair. 1. Salmon. This fish is loaded with strong hair supporters like vitamin D and protein, and it also contains omega-3 fatty acids to promote hair growth and by keeping your scalp healthy. 2. Yellow peppers. Yellow bell peppers have nearly 5.5 times more vitamin C than oranges, 341 mg, as opposed to 63. This is very good news for your locks. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that strengthens the hair shaft and hair follicles, as well as prevents breakage. 3. Oysters. Zinc deficiency has been known to cause hair loss and poor scalp conditions, and oysters are loaded with zinc, with just 3 ounces contains 493% of your daily value. But not just any oysters will do. Steer clear of the ones caught in the Gulf of Mexico, which may contain unusually high levels of cadmium due to 2010 no oil spill. 4. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of omega-3s and they also contain biotin, which many people trying to regrow their hair, taking it in a supplement form. But be aware, it's not the egg whites that will make your hair long and beautiful, it's the yolk. Eating too many egg whites can actually block the absorption of biotin into the body, causing a depletion of this micronutrient. 5. Sunflower seeds. Just a few little seeds can supply you with an abundance of vitamin E, which will enhance blood flow to the scalp and promote faster hair growth. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, the precursor for vitamin A that not only promotes a healthy scalp but effectively promotes hair growth. 7. Avocados. Avocados, due to the high concentration of essential fatty acids naturally found in skin cells which help to keep your skin smooth and supple, avocados are an age-old beauty secret. When topically applied to the hair and scalp, they have the added ability to stimulate collagen and elastic production. Mix a little avocado with sour cream, which contains lactic acid, to help exfoliate the skin, and clean up the buildup on the scalp, and apply to your hair and scalp for about 10 minutes before washing it off. 8. Almonds. These nuts will make your hair grow faster and thicker due to the high biotin content. 1 cup contains nearly 1/3 of your daily requirement. You should be able to see the results in a month or 2 of adding them to your diet. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.